Sanchez, did you finish the job? Did you finish the job, Sanchez? Let me see your work. Let me see how you did. I'm gonna need more flowers out here. What's up, beautiful people? We are at Walmart today. We are going to do some home projects. We're getting stuff for the yards. Let me show y'all. So we got the mulch there. The mulch is $4 a bag. We got 3 bags. Bags get into bricks now so that we can put those around the tree. Here is the type of bricks that we're doing. 12-inch curved scallop. They're $176 a brick. All grade bricks. Just hit a lick. So yeah, we're here at Walmart. We're about to get some plants and some cute flowers, and then we'll go home and put it all together. We hope that everyone is staying home and staying safe during this time. Hopefully you can find projects inside or outside your home to keep you busy. And we're praying for those who are struggling during this time as well. I would like to go ahead and give my shout out of the day. My first one up is going to be My Style, My Home. She's a lifestyle YouTube channel, beautiful home decor projects, and home cleaning videos. So check out her channel and let her know that SHAKERA from Life is So Sincere sent you over. Sanchez, did you finish the job? Did you finish the job, Sanchez? Let me see your work. Let me see how you did. I'm gonna need more flowers out here. I'll take some flowers there and there. But it's looking good so far. Y'all did a pretty great job. It looks good. All right, we just need some more flowers out here. Thank you, Sanchez. Hey you. Thank you for all of your work. And you did this over here too? Oh, nice. Great job. You did all of that? Wow, nice. Great job. Excellent. All right, so today's project, bought these organizing things from Dollar Tree. And we are going to declutter Exhibit 1, Exhibit 2, and Exhibit 3. As you can see here, we have stuff everywhere, and it's not very organized. So, a part of our 30-day declutter challenge includes your junk drawers. If you haven't already done it, make sure you get to it. Hopefully, I brought enough storage bins. If not, I could always run back to the Dollar Tree, but Easy, $1. These are actually 3 come together in 1. Then you have these come together as 2, and these come together as 3. So I spent $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 total for some organization. Okay, so here we go.
All I want